Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the new feature of Google Meet Attendance Collector. Here we go. As you know, this is attendance icon. You will click on it. You will see Add Sheet, News, Spreadsheet, Auto Scroll on off, and Snapshot. Here you can go for people. Now what you have to do, you will click here and scroll it. Otherwise it will not take your attendance. Once you have finished the scrolling, now what you have to do, click on this green new spreadsheet icon. Now new spreadsheet will open. You will see only two things here, joined and left. Students also, at what time students have joined and what time students have left, and number of students here. So now if you take the attendance again, it will not give you next column. It will update in the same column. Only timings will be changed and students who have left and joined, the data will be changed, but you will not see sheet or any other column or row in the sheet. So this is changes in Google Meet Attendance Collector. Now we are going to see the old sheet of Google Meet Attendance Collector. Here you can see it was taking attendance a lot of time. After 5 minutes, after 2 minutes, whenever you scroll down, it was taking attendance. But now what you have to do, once you will scroll down, it will take attendance and join, provide you data of join and left. And if you will not scroll down, it will not take attendance. So hope you have learned. Thanks for watching.